Hey guys, so this time we're going to take a headlight that looks like this and make it look like this. Let's get into it. So first up then we need to get these headlights stripped. So there's these plastic clips on top. I'm going to imagine we can pop them off. So, I've never had one of these headlights apart before, but I have, oh, just broke up it. I have taken headlights apart before by just taking the lens off, but these look like they come apart behind the lens, so that might be easier, because a lot of time you have to put them in the oven. Oh, that seems to be coming apart. Maybe I can take it apart and then completely wrong place and I want to take it apart in, but we'll see. Look at this. It is completely in the wrong place. So, it's so wet in here. Look at that. So by the looks of it, we get to either take the sealant off that. Which one's the inside one? So this headlight goes in like this. Yes, that's correct. So this here one here is the inside one. All I really want to do is tint that lens yellow. So I think we'll take this apart now and get it all dried up and cleaned, and then we will tint that bit of glass. So I went ahead and took both of these lenses out, and I brought this outside and power washed all the green off it because it was all green in there and stuff like that there. So we got it all cleaned up pretty good. It is kind of like kind of pitted a wee bit. I don't know what that's about, but it's probably stone chips and stuff over the years. So we're just gonna roll with it. And this is the one I'm gonna be tinting here. Here's my tint film. Don't know how good it's gonna be, but I'm sure it's gonna be grand. That cleans to a bit then. One more time just for peace of mind. And there's clear lens on top of this as well. Right, there we go. Beautiful. Actually pretty good for wee blisters, apart from that one there. There. Right. So that would fit into the inside one. There. Obviously I need to glue these in, but I just want to see what it looks like. And this one goes in here. Cool. Be nicer if the lenses were clear, but that is what it is at this stage. Still very wet inside here, so I might leave this to dry for a bit, but we can put it on and see what it looks like. Right, let's bring it out to the car. This is going to be sweet. So that's pretty much it. It doesn't really take a whole lot of work to do that there, but it looks cool. I like that there. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.